This is the 25-foot cord for the Ring products. I'm going to be using this on a stick-up cam. This is exactly what I was looking for my application. I'm looking to run this cord through the wall here, so this way I could conceal it. I'm not going to have any cord showing. And this is just like the same cord from Ring, but it's just 25 feet long. They give you this barrel adapter, depending on what application your camera has. And it just, you can see here, it has the same fitting. And then just at the end here, it's got the USB, and they give you the block too to plug into the wall. This is the stick-up camera that I'm going to be using here. So it matches, I got the white to match the white camera. But the only thing that's going to be showing here is just the small amount of cord. I'm going to, like I said, conceal the rest through the wall here. But 25 feet, if you have a little bit left, you could just use the actual tie that they do, tie it back. But this is the cord that Ring gives you. It's just not as long. You can see here, it's got the bigger plug for in the wall here, so this is a little bit more low profile here. And the cord, it just has the same fitting at the end right here, so it's just going to be basically a direct replacement. You're just going to be able to get a lot more length out of it. So if you're looking to maximize your camera view from a far away, you did 25 feet here with this cord. Highly recommend picking one of these up.